Jai Gurudev. Heyam Dukkham Anagatam. Avert the danger before it arises. So, with the technique of self pulse reading, we can know Sukha and Dukkha, balance and imbalance. And by knowing, we can also avert. And in today's time, even more relevant, because with the sense of touch, we can also heal. We are able to connect to our inner self and understand the body. But today's time, sense of touch is more like we are touching our cell phones, trackpads, different computer gadgets, different equipments where there is touch screen everywhere. So it's more of that electrical impulse, but not the sense of touch which is healing. So it's very important to do the self pulse reading practice on day-to-day basis, and hope everybody is practicing and you got enough time to practice. And we are also happy to choose the Ratha Saptami on 26th of November. So right after that the course will begin. And Ratha Saptami significance is like Surya's birthday, or where he was born to Rishi Kashyapa and Aditi. But also it is when the sun is moving to Uttarayana, the northern hemisphere, where the 7 horses of sun's chariot are like the 7 rays, 7 colors, 7 planets, the dhatus. So in any way we see the 7 significance, so that is moving towards the northeast direction. So it is very auspicious for health. So to ask for health for the new beginning, like it's almost like New Year. So we are very happy to start on this Ratha Saptami and to get the blessings of Surya, and also very happy to introduce medical astrology, how it can be utilized through the knowledge of self-pulse reading, and how the sense of touch, or feeling the pulse, we can also use Dinacharya, Rutucharya, what circadian rhythms nowadays people are knowing, and this is how you can know internally what is happening, what your body is wishing. So that can be seen in a deeper level, understood, where in Ayurveda we call Achara Rasayana. So your daily routine and everything comes into that. And Japa Kusuma Sanketam Kashyapeyam Mahadrutim Tamorim Sarvapapagnam Pranatosmi Divakara. So with this Ratha Saptami and going into deeper level of self-pulse reading and how it can be determined in day-to-day life, how it can be utilized, how you can make use of knowing self-pulse reading to your benefit on day-to-day life. Jai Gurudev.